So huge thank you to L&L Skin for sponsoring this video. And of course this sponsor goes with the theme of the video. So you guys are gonna love this. I grabbed this amazing 3-in-1 beauty device from L&L Skin. If you are looking to upgrade your skincare routine, this is the first product I would recommend, and I'm going to go through and show you guys what this does, how I use it in my skincare routine, because of course it is one of my absolute beauty favorites at the moment. So this is one device with 3 powerful treatments. The RF radio frequency mode delivers thermal energy to the skin to tighten, firm, and lift the skin. So first up in this mode, I apply a moisturizer, and then you turn on the beauty device to the RF mode. And this feels so amazing. It just gets a touch warm, and you slowly move the device across your face, contouring the face from a low to high angle. This mode goes for 5 minutes and then it automatically turns off. So it's just really relaxing to use this. It feels a little bit warm and just so relaxing, tightens and firms your skin. The next mode is the Ems Function, which is electronic muscle stimulation. The first step in this is either using an everyday moisturizer again, or I will also go in with some type of oil. This mode is similar to a gua sha, but it is obviously so much more powerful to use this device, and I honestly think it is more relaxing and has better results because of the way the V-shape roller hits different points, especially along my chin. I feel like this really sharpens and strengthens my chin and my jawline even better than gua sha does. This mode goes for 6 minutes and then automatically shuts off. They look like little disco balls. They're so cute, but I really do feel like they make a difference in my skincare routine. The EMS mode is designed to accelerate cell activity in the skin for tighter and more toned skin. And the last mode that this does is the ultrasonic vibration mode. Is so cool to me and is really one of my favorite features of this product that makes it so unique and different from other things I've tried. So the ultrasonic vibration mode is to deeply cleanse the skin, reduce dull skin, clear congestion, and reduce blackheads. This is like the ultimate cleansing routine. This one is usually the first step that I'll do, and then I will use the other 2 modes on the beauty device. But first off, you take these little cotton pads that come in the set, and you'll put some type of either a toner or a cleansing water or whatever you prefer on this cotton pad. You clamp the cotton pad between the ring, switch this one on to sonic mode, and then you're going to essentially like clean your skin. So I like to do this one in big circular motions. Again, doing like that down to up rotation so that you're always bringing your skin up and never pulling it down. But I like a little bit of circles in this one. It feels very cleansing to me. And I do this all over my whole face, and this removes residual dirt. And this mode lasts for 3 minutes and then it will automatically shut off. This mode is absolutely mind-blowing to me. Even after a day that I have not worn any makeup, I will do this cleansing mode, and when I see the dirt that's on the cotton pad, it's so crazy to me that this residual dirt is in my skin. Even on days that I'm not wearing makeup, I still have things that need to be cleansed out of my skin. And I've just never had a product that really cleanses and cleans out all of the dirt, everything that's like deep down in my skin, the way that I see results literally on the dirty cotton pad at the end of using this device. I am just so obsessed with this. It is absolutely taken my skincare and self-care routines to a whole nother level. I just haven't seen a device that has this many features that I feel like are genuinely doing something and improving my skin and truly adding to my skincare routine. So I am obsessed with this. Huge thank you again to L&L for sponsoring this video, and huge thank you because they got me a discount code for you guys. You can get 25% off with coupon Sydney25. Of course, I will have this coupon code in the description along with the link to this beauty device. They also have an Amazon shop, so I will link that as well. But I am genuinely so obsessed with this. It has completely upgraded my daily skincare routines. I'm so excited about it, so I had to share it with you guys. Thank you so much